Hi guys, have you just seen, I've just unboxed my 2015-16 Roush axle back exhaust system, which I ordered about 10 days ago from American Muscle in the States. It's obviously dark outside now, it's a little bit late in the day, so it's not going to get fitted today. Plan is to do it on Monday. I'm going to take the car out for a spin beforehand. I'll get some sound clips before and after the fitting, so you can see the exact difference. But you know, looking online, the Roush exhaust does growl, does snarl compared to the factory system, so I expect it to sound pretty awesome. I've not really done much else with the Mustang for last week or so. What I have done, you can probably see behind me the shelter. On the first video that wasn't there. I spent 2 days building this carport. Basically, we've got a load of mature trees at the house, and what was happening, all the tree sap and the bird poo was dropping onto the car and just killing it every night. Every morning it was just covered in crap. So another bonus of having the carport is on hot summer days now. It's going to be okay to polish the car in hot days. You're not going to get the sun baking it once you put the polish on. So come rain or shine, I should be able to keep the car looking nice. That's it for today. I'm going to shove it all back in the box just to keep it all tidy, and Monday morning we'll get out, do some sound clips, and then we'll get it all fitted. So have a good weekend, guys. Those of you who've already got your Mustangs, enjoy them this weekend, and those of you that haven't, do what I did for the last few months and sit on YouTube and watch your videos of Mustangs longingly. Once they arrive, yeah, it's great. So hope they come soon for you guys. Let's fast forward 1 hour.
That's cutting. Yeah, way more important thing going on in my life than neighbour wars. Have a nice groove to go into now. That's that one gone.
Alright, that's 2 bags of crap off. Alright, sound test with no mufflers whatsoever on the car. adjustments of the tips. I think even I've revved it like that. Triple yellows, nice. That's just far too cool. Oh, that's the Ducatis. Yeah, I think with all of you that sounds better than what it sounded like before. And what it sounds like after. Ooh. I think we're going to call that a success, guys. I'm happy. I'm happy. A friend of mine asked me if I preferred the sound of that or the Harley Davidson now with the straight out pipes. But tough one to tell. I'll maybe put a video up of both from side by side at some point. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the video and yeah, speak soon.